Okay. I want to solve this question. We're trying to balance this now. We have H3PO4 to give H4P2O7 plus H2O. Now we're trying to balance this here. So looking at the hydrogen on the left-hand side, I have about 3. And here on the right, I have 4 plus 2, 6. So it means I have to add something to the left-hand side in order to try to balance it. Besides, my phosphorus here is just 1. And here on the right hand side, I have 2. So definitely I need to add something to the left hand side. Most likely a 2, at least because of the phosphorus, right? So if we start with that, let's see, phosphorus looks happy now. How about the hydrogen? Hydrogen is 2 times 3, 6. And this is 4 plus 2. Oh, that's also good. That's balanced. Okay, what of the oxygen? 2 times 4 is 8 for the oxygen. And here I have 7 and 1. That's also 8. So everything looks balanced. Everything looks good. Therefore, our answer is just having a 2 in front of the first thing. And that will be it. So be good. Take care. Stay safe. I'll see you on the next one.